Here's how I made this knurling pattern in Fusion. I started off with a simple cylinder. This one is 50 millimeters wide and 100 millimeters tall. Then I used create and then coil and selected the center of the bottom of the cylinder to start the coil. I made sure that the coil was going the right way and checked that the type was set to revolution and height. Then I made the diameter 50 millimeters, which was the same diameter as the cylinder. Next I changed revolutions to 0.5 and the height to 100 millimeters to match the cylinder. For the section I used the inside triangle option, and for the section position I used 2 inside. Then I set the section size to 1 millimeter, but I'm sure other sizes could also work. After clicking OK, I checked the profile cut to make sure it looked alright. Next I added a circular pattern in the coil. I used a quantity of 30 in this example. To complete the knurling pattern, I made a mirror of the coil and circular pattern features, mirroring the features around one of the origin planes. To finish the design, I went back in the timeline and made the design hollow using a shell. I selected the top and bottom face to make it into a tube and used a thickness of 5 millimeters. As a final finishing touch, I added a chamfer to the top and bottom edges that was the same size as the profile I used for the knurl. Then I moved back to the end of the timeline to make sure everything looked good and exported it to the slicer and then printed it off. Here's how it turned out. Hope this helps.